Churchill comes over here to say we're doing splendid. But it's very cold out here in the snow, marching to and from the enemy. Oh, I say it's tough, I have had enough. Can you stop the cavalry? I have had to fight almost every night down throughout these centuries. That is when I say, oh yes, yet again, can you stop the cavalry? Mary Bradley waits at home in the nuclear fallout zone. Wish I could be dancing now in the arms of the girl I love. Dubba dubba dum dum dubba dubba dum dubba dum dum dubba dum dubba dubba dum dubba dubba dum dubba dubba dum dubba dum dubba dubba dum. Wish I was at home for Christmas. Bang goes another bomb on another town while the Tsar and Jim have tea. If I get home, live to tell a tale, I'll run for all presidencies. If I get elected, I will stop the cavalry. Dubba dubba dum dum dubba dubba dum dubba dum dum dubba dum dubba dubba dum dubba dubba dum dum dubba dubba dum dubba dum dum dubba dum dubba dubba dum. Wish I was at home for Christmas. Wish I could be dancing now in the arms of the girl I love. Mary Bradley waits at home. She's been waiting 2 years long. Wish I was at home for Christmas. Dubba dubba dum dum dubba dubba dum dubba dum dum dubba dum dubba dubba dum dubba dubba dum dum dubba dubba dum dubba dum dum dubba dum dubba dubba dum. Wish I was at home